Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Sydney Gardener here in Darug in Gadigal country, Punchbowl. We've had rain non-stop for the last week and it seems like it's gonna be raining indefinitely almost, and it's left a bit of damage in the front yard. Let's see. So this sunflower is heavy with seed, so maybe I'll just cut it off, wait for it to dry and try to harvest those seeds. Okay, it looks like this is not actually broken, so it just needs support. That's another option. I could just tie it back up. I'm just gonna let it rest. So these I could probably harvest, even though they're not really withered enough for that, but can give it a go. So that top layer is coming off pretty easily. These are all seeds. I really like this variety because it has multiple blooms on one plant, so I think I'll save some for myself for next year, but also leave some for the birds and some for us to eat. So the flowers on these ground covers are closed or gone. The rain is just messed everyone up. This is actually the newest sunflower and it's just toppled over because of the rain. Oops. Yeah, so that's actually the freshest one. So I might actually take this ribbon and put it on this one. There is this lovely zinnia that finally opened up. It's quite big. You have a look at the size. It looks like it's going to become double layered. And with this sunflower, I think that the seeds are ready to drop off. Yep, so that's a seed. That should be relatively easy. Just keep these here. And cut this off in a bit. So that's done. I have cut off some of the sunflowers. I don't have a ribbon for this one, so let's just hope it stays like this and doesn't fall all the way to the ground. Here are all the flower heads. I've left a few standing, and this one is the newest. This opened up maybe last week. So you can see this one, it's just maybe a day old, or it opened a day ago. And even though there's nothing fancy here, there are a few blooms. So I've kept this. Maybe these blooms will develop. Wait and see for that. Okay, so some seedlings. The rain is pretty good for seeds. and germination, but it's not really good for gardening, so I haven't been able to plant any of these seedlings out in the garden. And it's just about to start again, so I might end the video early if that happens. Just a quick snapshot run through the garden. This opened up today. I think this marigold, or I just noticed it today. Very pretty. And interestingly enough, different to this one. I thought they're the same variety. Another zinnia that I put in here. The tomatoes aren't producing anymore, or they're not ripening. Even if they're there, they'll just be green. Otto! Yeet! There's the cat for you. So, waiting on. I opened this one up because I did open one up a week or so ago and it was not ready. So I am very eager to harvest these, but I have to have patience. It's not really... Okay, lots of weeding that I need to do, but it's been raining non-stop, as I mentioned. Okay, ignore that. And the zinnia patch is still looking pretty good, but the rain is knocking the plants around and they're starting to look tired. And I think this is the salmon queen seed that I got. It's not double flowered yet, but it will be. I love these orange ones. So they're still opening up. You can see this one's really fresh. Like, hasn't fully opened up yet, but maybe the weather will get a bit better. Maybe we'll get half a day of sun before summer finishes. Cucumbers have also died back. Zucchini is still doing well, but we haven't been able to make any like coursa dishes with it because we don't have the numbers for that. Actually, we did do finally the last zinnia patch, which is looking amazing. I love the whites, the pinks, red, and yellow. This red is really hot. Beautiful. So that's it for this week. I hope you have a good week ahead, and I'll see you next time. And hopefully it won't be raining then.